Hey, what's up? It's Luke, otherwise known as Chan Trades. I hope you guys are having a good day. Let's go over the trade recap real quick. So today, I think I lost. It was like I lost like $60, something like that. Um, we'll go over it real quick. So just kind of my initial bias for today. London session manipulated Asian session. We also manipulated previous session. We were in a 1 hour fair value gap, um, bearish fair value gap, and we were maintaining it. My bias was bearish for the day. That was the same on both indexes. This was a trade that I took on ES. I'll kind of show you what I saw. So at market open, we get manipulation um, of London session high. It's not the best manipulation, but NQ manipulated. This is market open, and like NQ manipulated it better, but Loki, that was good. We got a little bit of manipulation, but the cool thing was, um, right before market opens. This blue candle's market open. We actually broke 5 minute structure, so on a red line. I'm gonna show you. So you broke 5 minute structure right before market open. Market opens, we manipulate this high time frame high, and we close up here. So we don't fib or anything. All right, so we don't fib. We're still in bear structure. From there, we actually do something really cool. We go into equilibrium. So for this move, we're in equilibrium. We are also in, I guess technically this breaker block, which would be this confluence right here. So the bottom of the breaker block right here. Anyway, so we're in 5 minute confluence on the 1 minute. There's a lot of stuff going on. I'll explain everything. It's a little bit too much, but I'll explain here in a second. So on the 1 minute, we get a huge break of structure. We also inverse this fair value gap right here, get a break of structure. We almost even come all the way down here to this low. Or we do come down to that low, sorry. So from there, what that told me, we're in 5 minute order flow. We had a 5 minute confluence. We swept a high time frame high. We broke 1 minute structure. We inversed a 1 minute fair value gap. I'm bearish. I want to enter. So I enter off this candle. I set my stops above this 1 minute high. It's the 5 minute high is right here, but just with my RR. And since this candle was very large, I just set it above this 1 minute high. And I set my take profit. I actually entered in 3 contracts for this trade on my funded, and I had 2 of them set to London low, and then I had 1 set to Asian low. So what I was really targeting was this move down here, about 2.9 to maybe what, like it was 4 something, 4.5 would have been the RR. So really good. So after I enter, pretty soon after, we get a really good confluence. This is the 15 minute. This is a 15-minute candle. This is a 15-minute fair value gap, and we inverse it. So really good confluence. We inverse this fair value gap, and then we go into this 5 minute fair value gap all the way at the bottom. We were inversing all of these, but this fair value gap matters the most out of all these fair value gaps, and we almost inversed it. I actually felt really good about this trade. From there, we fib on NQ. We don't ever break structure, but for me, order flow is trending in the right direction. I think we also this thing never got inversed. It's crazy. Anyways, so from there, I still have my stop losses up here. But price pushes up, and we inverse this fair value gap right here. And once we inverse this 5 minute fair value gap, I exit my position because this 5 minute fair value gap told me that order flow changed. It wasn't the same, which sucks because I do feel like I had good confluences. I do feel like stuff was good. We did have high impact news that was bullish, and that definitely helped. But I don't know. I entered really early. I could have waited for better manipulation. I also was trying to take a trade. I actually like inverse my position. I didn't inverse it like right away, but I was basically inversing my position off this news candle, off this breaker structure. Um, and I exited it at break even too. It was wherever I had entered it down to this low or something. I don't know. It was like entry like this. I forget exactly what it was. And I could have should have let it play out. I don't know. Something that was frustrating with this trade, I lost $5 on my funded. I lost 50 on my personal. Weeble's been having, that's the brokerage I use. They've been having I've been having some issues with them the past 2 days. Basically, oh shoot. Basically, orders will take a little bit to get filled. So once I execute the order, it'll take a little bit to get filled, and it'll take a little bit to exit it. So I was just trying to exit the order, and it wasn't exiting. It was like pending. It was at break even, but it kept going further, so I lost more money. So that lucky sucks. I really hope they fix that, or else I might change brokerages because that's like pretty dumb. Anyways, that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. You loved, you're seen. Take it easy. Peace.
He who is back again, never quick to fail. Double back, won't miss a meal. Sharp as steel, don't hurt everything there is to say about me. I ain't tripping, don't let lucky hear, he don't play about me. Loyalty is not for sale. Wishing those who wish me well a great bill of health. They don't teach the broke kids how to maintain the wealth.